happening? Last ride of the trip. We back at it again. Kate in Fantasyland. Okay.
Girls talk too much.
Yes, girls talk to...
Hello, we are in Epcot. We just parked. We are in Discover 18. Epcot check. So much construction here in Future World, which will no longer be Future World. Wild. I've been to Epcot 4 times, so I'm eligible to get my coasters, but the line was like 60 million years long, so we're gonna go back later. And I have a lot of shopping to do because Disney has come out with such cute merchandise and I want it all. It doesn't matter what time of day you come or what day you come, the World Showcase is always busy for Food and Wine Festival.
Caesar and pepper for your table, and they are all set.
Thank you.
Grazie, buon appetito. Okay?
How was lunch / dinner at Viennapoli?
It was,
It's true. It was very good.
Watch as the elephant gazes her.
She just got me out. I'm so sorry. It is literally never a dull moment with these two. What is happening? So because I've been to Epcot 4 times during Food and Wine Festival, I got the coasters! So excited to get back to my dorm tonight and open them and use them. I'm so excited. It was like a half-hour away, but it wasn't too bad. It was like continuously moving, so like it didn't even feel that long. Really nice. I'm so excited. Last ride of the trip.
Get it?
I don't want to get on an airplane. SOS. Unfortunately, it is time to leave Epcot and go to the airport. I am sad, but hope you enjoy the vlog. Don't forget, for Magical World Ears, you can use code KATE15 for 15% off your entire purchase, plus the free shipping, linked below. And for D&D Design Co., you can use my code KATE10 for 10% off. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more Disney content coming your way very soon.
I am afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown.